When it comes to choosing the right help desk software for your company, Cherwell Service Desk stands out as a solid option, but there are a few things you need to know before making the decision. Whether you're already familiar with IT service management tools or are just getting started, it's essential to know how Cherwell compares to its competitors in the market. So, let's dive into 12 key points you should consider before buying. The first thing to know is that Cherwell Service Desk is known for its flexibility. With its no-code platform, you can easily customize workflows and automate tasks without the need for extensive technical expertise. While this is a strong feature, it may take time to fully grasp, especially when compared to simpler tools like Freshservice, which is much more intuitive out of the box. Next thing to keep in mind is Cherwell's strong focus on ITIL alignment. It's designed with ITIL best practices in mind, which makes it perfect for larger enterprises looking for an advanced solution. However, if you're a smaller business, you might find it overly complex compared to simpler options like Zoho Desk. The third thing you need to know is that Cherwell offers robust reporting capabilities. The reporting tools allow for deep insights into service desk performance, but you'll need to be prepared to spend time setting it up and learning how to use it effectively. This might be more work than some other tools, like ServiceNow, which are known for offering reporting with fewer setup requirements. The fourth thing to note is Cherwell's pricing. While it offers an array of features, it's not the cheapest in the market. It's an investment that's worth it for businesses that need its powerful capabilities, but smaller companies or startups might find cheaper alternatives, like Zendesk, a more budget-friendly option for the features you get. The fifth point is about integration options. Cherwell provides a lot of flexibility here, allowing you to connect with various third-party tools, including CRM systems and asset management software. However, setting up these integrations can be complex, which might not be ideal if you're looking for plug-and-play solutions like Freshdesk. Next thing to consider is the user interface. Cherwell's interface is functional, but it can feel outdated compared to some competitors. Platforms like Jira Service Management or ServiceNow offer a more modern look and feel, which could be important for teams that value ease of use. The seventh thing to consider is mobile access. Cherwell has a mobile app, but it's not as refined as some other tools in the market. If mobile access is a crucial feature for your team, tools like Zoho Desk or Freshservice might be better options with more seamless mobile experiences. The eighth thing is the level of customer support. Cherwell offers support, but some users have mentioned that it can be slow at times, especially when troubleshooting complex issues. On the other hand, companies like Zendesk are known for providing excellent and fast customer service. Now, let's talk about automation. Cherwell shines when it comes to automating repetitive tasks. You can set up workflows to automatically assign tickets, send reminders, and even close resolve tickets. But if you need more granular control or additional automation features, you might find options like Automate, IO more flexible. The 10th thing to be aware of is the scalability. Cherwell is built for scalability, making it a great choice for growing companies. However, for small teams or businesses with fewer service desk needs, a simpler, more lightweight tool like Freshdesk might be a better fit. Next, let's talk about knowledge management. Cherwell allows you to create and manage knowledge bases, but it's not as intuitive as other platforms. If knowledge management is a key feature for you, tools like ServiceNow might be a better alternative. The 12th and final thing to consider is the learning curve. Cherwell is packed with features, but this comes with a steeper learning curve compared to more user-friendly platforms like Zendesk or Freshservice. It might take your team some time to get fully comfortable with the system. So, while Cherwell Service Desk is a solid choice for organizations that need a flexible and scalable IT service management tool, it may not be the right fit for everyone. It's best suited for larger businesses that require advanced features and ITIL alignment, but if you're a smaller team or a business looking for something easier to set up and more cost-effective, you might want to check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.